Meaning of hypertext.
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 Hypertext. Hypertext refers to a system of organizing information in which text, images, and other media are interconnected through hyperlinks. It allows users to navigate through a document or website non-linearly, by clicking on links that lead to related content. The concept of hypertext was introduced in the 1960s by computer scientist Ted Nelson, and later popularized with the creation of the World Wide Web. Today, hypertext is an integral part of online communication and information access, facilitating the sharing and dissemination of knowledge across the Internet.